What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk about personal statements today. I know for me, personal statements are a thing I absolutely hated. It's not something I got on with very well. Um, and I actually went to my college tutor for a lot of help with it. If you're still in college applying for uni, I know you get a lot of help there, but if you're applying from outside of college or something like that, then it can be difficult to know what to write, really. So I just thought I'd go through a few tips so you can really get the best out of your personal statement and get the most value out of it in when applying to uni. So tip number one is make it about you. It's called a personal statement for a reason. So don't just use like a template or something online. While they can be useful, they take a lot of personality out of it. So make sure that your personal statement really reflects who you are as a person. Make it sound like you when you're talking, so unis really know what to expect when they enroll you as a student. Yeah, I know that was hard for me. Really, how do you get that much personality into a bit of writing? But just keep going through it until you read it out and it does sound like something you would say. Obviously, put all your relevant work experience and stuff like that on it. Any volunteering you've done or any experience you have that can be related to the course that you're interested in. Most jobs and stuff like that will have certain parts of them which you can take and apply it to basically anything, really. So you need to think about it in sometimes a contrast way, like an abstract way, so you can really relate it to the course. But it can be done. And also, any sort of clubs or societies that you do. Unis are really interested in the stuff that you do, like extracurricular, so outside of a college or school. So if you're in, I don't know, cadets, or if you do any volunteering work or stuff like that, make sure you get that on there, because that. If you've known what course you want to apply for, and you've done some extra reading or extra qualifications, I know I did a few. You can find them around that are related to your course. Then put that on there as well. Unis take that as a sign that you're actually interested and willing to learn a lot about the course. So that's you definitely need to include that bit. And then lastly, just make sure that you tell them why you deserve a place. Sometimes the personal statement is the only insight that the university gets into what you're like as a person. So make sure you tell them why you do deserve a place in the course. What you'll take out of it, what you're going to do afterwards, stuff like that. If you're not sure, then that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But tell them why you deserve a place. So yeah. I know personal statements are hard. They're awful. I hate doing them. I did mine so many times before I got it right. But there's a lot of useful information on the internet. There's a lot of guides on the UCAS website. I'll put links in the description. And Staffs also has a useful guide, just stuff to include, stuff not to forget, on their website, so I'll put a link to that as well. Yeah. There you go. That's my sort of little tips for personal statements. See you next time.